The easiest way of creating letter tracing worksheets in Affinity Publisher is to get yourself a right font. Here's the one example. I'm on Google Fonts and I simply search for this font here, Reway Dots. It's totally free and I can get this nice dotted font just by clicking here, Get Font, and download all. There are so many different fonts available online, so just search for tracing fonts or download the one as I did here from Google Fonts. Then we will need to move to Affinity Publisher and create a new document. Let's say you just need like one page worksheet, so let's change number of pages to 1. We don't need facing pages, it's not a book. Alright, I like the size. And I can now click create. So here's my page and now I can start creating lines for tracing. Let's use a text tool. Here it is, and now I'm going to type what I want my students to trace. So let's start with letter A. Alright, now I can select this whole box again and change the font to the one we just downloaded. Here it is. Alright, and now I can also scale it up to match the margins I set up for this document. Let's zoom in a bit. I think it's a bit too small, so I can delete few letters at the end and scale it up once more. I want to give more space between letters, so in that case we will need to go into a characters details here and modify all those sliders. We can have a spacing between letters. Right now it's set up as 0%, but we can add extra like 20% or even 30%. Delete few more letters at the end and scale it to my margins. And now I can just Command C, Command V this whole thing, and I can type another letter here. Alright, as you can notice, I got this red line telling me that that's not the correct spelling. Of course it's not, so we can select this, head to the text and ignore spelling for this document. Spelling, and switch off the check. Alright, and that's how you do it. First you download the correct font, and then you simply set up this line by line for tracing, and that's it. The final touch will be to export the whole document as PDF so everybody can open it. So I click File, Export, and set up this as PDF. This way even people without Affinity Publisher can easily open this and print it out. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.